Before we shoot YouTube video, we want to learn how to use our gun. If you want to learn how to shoot YouTube video, you're going to have to learn how to load, draw, aim, and fire right through the heart of that Google algorithm. What the heck is an algorithm?
Now, an algorithm is nothing more than a little piece of software. It's like this little robot at YouTube sitting behind the computer. How to shoot YouTube video, goes into that basket. How to create $1 million before the end of this video, goes into that basket. Now, the important thing is not to get yourself into the trash basket.
Hi there, I'm your digital marketing cowboy. Now you can go over to my website, my YouTube channel, my Facebook page. I ain't gonna social proof myself. What you see is what you get. Digital marketing cowboy style. Let's get on with it. Now if you're some lonesome digital marketing cowboy or cowgirl out there in the world Wild West, wanting to grow your YouTube channel, I can be your trail finder. Let me give you some simple bullet points to use in your videos. So here are the 4 basic steps you can take into account when you shoot YouTube video. Load, draw, aim, and fire. Number 1, look them in the eye. Let them feel that you're an authority. Let them know what they're gonna get.
So in this load part, you have to load people with expectation. What are they going to learn from this video? A little bit like a Netflix series, you know, on the end they have this cliffhanger. Oh my God, what's going to happen? Find out next week.
Number 2, draw. When you shoot YouTube video, you have to get people out on the streets. You have to draw them towards you.
Well, just wave your gun around and give them some social proof. Tell them you shot somebody before.
Number 3, aim. What's the aim of it all? Tell them in some very basic steps.
Well, in this part, you give them some really basic points. Bam, you could get shot. Bam, you could run away. Bam, you could shoot back.
Number 4, fire.
So apart from the engagement, now is the time to summarize. So summarize everything that's been said and learned. And then it's time to give something away. Now I've got this amazing 4-page manual in full color, how to shoot YouTube video. It's over on my website. Enter your email, subscribe to my newsletter, and you get it for free.
So this is where that hammer really hits the bullet, where you take that action. So I guess my tip for today is don't shoot video like a crazy man in all directions. Stay calm, create a plan, and follow these 4 steps. Then pull out your Colt Peacemaker or your phone or your camera and shoot YouTube video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye. If you enjoy my videos, I got a great video up here about subscribing. Or you can hit that subscribe button. I got another couple of videos here on the left. Check it out.